I was missing in action because exams chal rahe the. But since they're over today, we decided to make a very healthy version of rice noodles. So for this healthy noodle dish, we need rice noodles, ginger, garlic, chili flakes, spring onion, sesame, soya sauce, parsley, and oil. First, we'll take some ginger, garlic, chili flakes, spring onion, and a little more spring onion, sesame, soya sauce, add hot oil to it, and mix it well. Mix it well. We will garnish it with some sesame seeds. And Kiara, since Mama loves sesame seeds, we'll add more sesame seeds, spring onion, and parsley. Let's do a quick taste test. I hope you enjoy making it as much as we did. For more content like this, like, follow and share.